How does appreciation help? Well, because I'm an acronym girl, I'm going to share with you exactly what happens when you show your appreciation. The S is for self. Gratitude changes your perspective as you take your focus off the bad things that happen and look for the good. The H is for health. There are many health benefits of a practice of thankfulness: stronger heart, more effective immune system, better sleep. These are just a few of the positive side effects. The O is for our relationship with others. There are way too many times that we assume the people in our lives know how we feel about them. It's like that couple celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. The wife was sobbing uncontrollably, and the husband said, "Honey, what's wrong? How can you be so upset on our anniversary?" She cried, "You never tell me that you love me." He said, "Listen, I told you 25 years ago. If anything changes, I'll let you know." Don't do that. Finally, the W is for wealth. Think about what's in your wallet. No, this is not a Capital One commercial. Whether your wallet has $1 in it, $100, or is completely filled with plastic like mine is, be grateful for what you have. What you focus on expands, so be grateful for the good things that you have.